Hi, good morning. ICAD 2024, organised by Daisy Yellow Arts. Got day 55, dominoes. We've only got another 6 to do. So there'll be that one, and then there'll be another 5 after that. Because I think it's 61 prompts. So, yeah, anyway, there we are. So I've pulled out this background paper that I had the disastrous castle on. And I thought I would... I don't know what to do, I'll be honest with you. I'm thinking of doing I'm going to cut this into some little domino tiles, a bit like I did the Mahjong yesterday. I think I'll draw a background. So if I'm sensible if I do these 2 centimetres. I love dominoes. The kids love dominoes as well, actually, and I always think it's a really good thing for them to practice their maths. Well, maths, yeah, more like number matching, isn't it, I suppose. That obviously was not a straight piece of paper. Ooh, that looked square to me, but it's obviously not. Let me see. Oh yeah, they're all the same size. Just you're Diddy. Why are you Diddy? I don't know. Right, so we're going to have some black dominoes, just because I've got black dominoes. You can get them in all sorts of colours. Right, okay, we'll do those last. So for a background, I was thinking of kind of drawing dominoes laid out and then put those on top. I'm going to speed you up. Sorry about the lighting. It's really early. It's 6:43, but I want to get these done today before I do my day at work. So, because then I'll be dog walking after that. So, just having a cheeky cuppa there. Right. Yeah. Let me speed you up for this bit. Right, just a really quick bit of assembling now, I think. Had a blowout on the white pen, as you saw. Sometimes happens. Never mind. Right, right, you guys need to move up there. Did you dry for a minute. Yeah, fairly simple. That'll do. I don't mind if I cover up the background, it doesn't matter. It kind of literally is just a background, so. But we'll try and place them strategically. This is the one when the grandkids get that, they go, oh no, I've got to get rid of that one. I said, yeah, you don't want to be stuck with a 6 when it comes to getting all the scores. Right, okay, that actually turned out easier than I thought. You know, when you start something you think, oh, this is going to go belly up quick, but it didn't, amazingly. Where can I fit in dominoes? I've kind of crouched myself in there a bit, haven't I? Dominoes, yeah, let's put it down here. Oh, I've gone blank. N-O-E-S. Excuse the sniffing. I don't think you're going to see this actually, is it? No. Oh, heck. Hold on. Oh, made a mess of that one. Oh well. Right, I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. Okay. There we are, dominoes. What have we got tomorrow? Oh, playing cards tomorrow. Oh, got an ideal one for playing cards. Right. So there we are. So that was day, what were you, 55? Oop. On the nose. That'll do. Right. I might tidy that up in a second. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.